Hi, today we will learn how to load audio in MATLAB software and produce an echo of it with the help of impulse signal and finally convolving it with the original signal. So, before starting with the program, let's get familiarized with some of the definitions. Echo. An echo is a sound produced similar to the original sound but with some repetition or a time delay. Impulse response. It is basically a mathematical function that describes the output waveform that results when the input is excited by a unit impulse. A unit impulse amplitude is 1 at the origin and 0 elsewhere. Convolution. It is basically a combination or the mixing of two signals to produce the desired signal. So now, starting with the program. So here first I have declared a variable named as voice and loaded the audio into a MATLAB using a waveread command providing it with the complete destination where the file is located. The sampling frequency is 44,100 Hz, which is the default frequency. Now in order to know the length of the audio and the type that it is either of a stereotype or a monotype, we have used the command size. So let's check out. Okay, this number shows the length of the audio, and this shows that the audio is of stereotype. But we would like to work in a monotype, so converting it into a mono. It can be seen that it is successfully converted into a monotype sound. So now let's hear the original sound which is being uploaded. That is,
Let's play a game.
so this is the original plot. This is the plot of the original sound. So now, in order to generate an echo, we have to introduce the impulse signal. So here I have introduced four of the impulse signal with the magnitude of zero point 0.4, zero point 0.3, zero point 0.2 and zero point 0.1. The magnitude of the impulse signal determines the magnitude of the echo, and the number of zeros determine the delay between two consecutive echoes. After that, I have combined all four of the impulse into one matrix array, that is HF, and finally plotting the impulse. Here you can see that the amplitude of zero point 0.4, zero point 0.3, zero point 0.2 and zero point 0.1 at a time delay of 15,000 as mentioned in the impulse, 30,000, and then next at the 45,000. It can also be seen that the audio amplitude is decreased at every time interval, which means that the later impulse have lesser amplitude as compared to the earlier impulses. Now finally producing echo using the convolution command convolve. Here its function consists of the two signal, that is the mono, that is which is our original audio signal, and the impulse signal HF. So now let's hear the echo.
Let's play a game.
So here is the plot of both the audio. This one is of the original sound and this one is the echo generated of the original sound. And it is clear that the echo amplitude is less than that of the original sound, as mentioned earlier while describing the impulse. So basically this is how we generate an echo in the MATLAB using this command. I hope you would have understand, and thank you.